In a town about 4 miles from Warsaw, Poland, lived a town of the wisest fools you will ever meet. This town was called Chelm. Chelm was comprised of all the fools in the world, but they had nothing to compare their foolishness to, so naturally, they thought they were wise. Night after night, the people of Chelm would stand outside and admire their beautiful moon as it waxed and waned and was partially covered by the clouds or its full silvery self. Every month, though, the moon would disappear, and that was disheartening to the people of Chelm. They wanted their moon. Logically, they went to the wise men of Chelm for advice, for surely they would know what to do. The wisest of the wise men, Shlomo, exclaimed, "We should capture the moon." The rest of the men were pleased with the idea and decided they should devise a plan over a nice breakfast, for feeding the body feeds the mind. All of the wives came together to prepare the breakfast feast of lox, herring, bagels, eggs, and tea. Together the wise men of Chelm devised the plan to capture the moon. And between mouthfuls of herring and lox, Mordecai voiced his idea. The 15th of every month has the largest and brightest moon that shines in the well of Chelm. We should wait until the moon shines in the well and then cover it and capture the moon. The rest thought this idea was brilliant, and they set a date for the 15th of Elul to capture the moon. When the night of the 15th of Elul fell, the wise men of Chelm gathered around the well with a cement cover to capture the moon. The moon shined in the well, and the men used all their strength to cover the well and capture the moon forever. The next day, the wise men gathered around the well to check if their friend, the moon, was still with them. When they took the cement off the well, however, the moon was gone. They decided to gather the next day over breakfast to devise a new plan to capture the culprit that stole their moon. Day after day, the moon was still missing, so day after day, they had to think of new and innovative ideas until they accepted that the moon must be shared with the world.